I let her go for the 10th damn time. So I draw the line, I claim what's mine. But she came back, I caved again, opening the door like nothing changed. I know by now I'm just a game. She rolls the dice, I take the blame. She pulls me close, then sets me free, and I just sink so willingly. Oh no no, oh no no, oh no no, oh no no, I'm no one's puppet, but here I am, lost in a web of broken man. We make plans that never stay. She disappears, I fade away. This quiet burns beneath my skin, and still I let her back again. She says I'm hers, her only one, then sleeps around like it's all fun. She calls me weak, a worn out lie, yet I still chase her every time. Oh no no, oh no no, oh no no, oh no no, I'm no one's puppet, but I am lost at home to what hurts most. I should have stood and walked away, but broken hearts, they tend to stay. The more it hurts, the more it feels like maybe love is just a bleed. Now late at night, she shows up high, whispers lies,